Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher, Karachi.
Did you know the sound of W? Now read with me, hooray!
I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong.
Wah.
This four-wheel, it goes round so fast.
Wah.
Is for watch, it tells the time for you.
Wah.
Is for window with sky so bright and blue. Bye bye friends, see you next day. We'll learn new sounds, hip hip hooray.
Thanks for watching! If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content. If you want to purchase the books, then contact Akhtar Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.